Planning to start your drive in peak summer? These simple steps can make your car's AC more effective. Welcome to Factful Fridays. Today we'll show you easy DIY tips to help improve your car's AC performance this summer. When your car is parked under the blazing sun for a long time, the interior temperature can become very high. That's why, before you begin your trip, turn the AC on at full fan speed with vents open. Set the temperature to lowest and keep windows open for a few seconds. This pushes out hot air faster, allowing the AC to cool the cabin faster and more efficiently. Here is a pro tip. Only open vents for seats where people are sitting to direct all cooling where it's needed most. As far as possible, keep the car AC on recirculation mode. This reuses cooled air, helping the AC cool faster and maintain temperature. Cooling efficiency also depends on proper airflow. A clogged cabin air filter restricts it. It gets clogged over time and usage. Hence, it is recommended to replace it as per the maintenance schedule. For a long-term durability, even in winter, run your AC at least once a month for a minute. This circulates refrigerant and oil to protect internal parts. These simple do-it-yourself steps can help improve cooling performance before you drive. However, they don't replace an expert health check. For optimal AC cooling performance this summer, visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized service workshop. What car care tips do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned for more